The other way around.
K-C-O-C-S.
What is this spelled? What is this spelled here?
No.
What is it spelled?
Rally car.
Well, so this word is rally, and this word is car. C-A-R. Car.
Is this the car, Daddy?
It sure is, Benjamin.
Papa, is this the car?
Yes.
But, Mama, is this the car?
Yeah.
Is that a rally car?
See what Gabby's doing on the side, too.
What car is it?
That's a Grand Prix car.
See, look. C-A-R. Car. C-R.
R-A-C.
No, but we read this.
S-I-R-T-E-N-A-R-G. What car is it?
That's like Hebrew letters.
What car,
It's a
Daddy?
Grand Prix. It's a racing car. Racing car.
Is it a racing car?
Yes.
What car?
That's called a super bike.
Is it super bike?
Yes.
What's for super bike?
Okay.
Mommy, you spell it.
S-U-P-E-R-B-I-K-E. Superbike.
G-T-Y.
Very good.
Is it dune buggy?
Dune buggy. Dune and buggy. Dune buggy. Which one is this?
Snowmobile.
Snowmobile. That's right.
Is it snowmobile?
Snowmobile. That's right. Can you spell the snowmobile?
What's snowmobile having?
That's part of the engine of the snowmobile.
S-N-O-W-M-O-B. What was it?
B. That's right.
B-I-L-E.
Very good. That's a big, long word you spelled.
What's that?
That's called a snowmobile.
Is this snowmobile?
Yes. Oh.
And what boat is it?
This is the boat section. That's a power boat.
Is that a power boat?
Yes.
P-O-W-E-R